Across Pakistan, provinces like Punjab, Sindh, and Balochistan are drowning under the weight of devastating floods. Villages have vanished, homes lie in ruins, and in Banner alone, countless precious lives have been lost. Farmers watch helplessly as their crops are destroyed, while children's futures are swept away in the raging waters. Considering the gravity of the situation, the government of Pakistan has temporarily closed schools, colleges, and academies to ensure public safety. In Punjab, to reduce the impact of the flood, the Tarbela Dam has been demolished in an effort to prevent even greater damage.